Hi, Spanish 1A. So today we're going to be focusing on the next vocabulary section, which is in your workbooks on page 7. So I'm going to be going over pronunciation and the meanings. So you need your workbook, page 7. And this is for the continuation of page 5. So it's a pretty small list, and it's going to allow you to do your next section of homework too. So once you find it, I can start. And remember, even if I go a little quickly, you can still pause the video and fill in as you need to. So the first one is, ¿Cómo te llamas? Which means, what is your name? Me llamo means my name is. Encantado or encantada means pleased to meet you. Igualmente means same here. Mucho gusto means also nice to meet you. And so does el gusto es mío. That also means nice to meet you. Te presento a and le presento a means I'd like you to meet. The difference is that te presento a is what we call informal. This is for when we're presenting family and friends to someone. And le presento a is for people that are not as known to us, like someone we might refer to as Mr. or Mrs., or it could be someone that we're just meeting for the first time ourselves that is a stranger. And this is a cultural issue in Spanish-speaking countries. Perdón means excuse me, kind of like pardon me. Como se llama is what is his or her name. Se llama is his or her name is. ¿Quién es is who is it. Es is he or she is. Sí is yes. And no, of course, is no. So just wanted to follow up with a couple of things. You will have an assignment that follows up with this. So look on the Google Classroom for that. It'll be a few pages. And also some questions that have come up as to when are things due. So things are due for students and their next class. So this is actually working ahead a little so that you guys will have the work for next week now. So for example, let's say you're a Thursday learner. You come in on Thursdays to school for your 1 day a week. Your work will be due the next Thursday. Say you're a Friday person. Your work will be due the next Friday. So you might be thinking, well, those people get an extra day, but they really don't because it's still 7 days. Remote learners, use the same concept, 7 days. Okay, so you have 7 days to do the work as well. So as soon as you see it posted, give yourself 7 days, give or take. I'm not going to be really fussy where I say, well, it was posted today, so you only have 7 days. I'm just going to look at it and say, did they hand it in a reasonable amount of time, or was it like 2 weeks later? Okay, for the remote learners, because I understand you're not here. So that should answer that question. Other questions. Are we getting workbooks as far as remote learners? Yes, they should be coming out today, which is Wednesday. I believe they're being delivered today. If you don't get one, let me know, and I'll figure out why that is. That should be about it. Everything seems to be running pretty smoothly. Reach out if you have questions. I check my email really often. I try to get back to you as soon as I can. I try to check it at night as well. Use Google Meet when you can. I know some of you have limited data. I completely understand. We'll do our best. Help each other. You can work together. Doesn't mean copy. Means work together as a team. If you can FaceTime or call on the phone or whatever you need to do. If you can't, ask me because you have limited data for Google Meets. We'll do our very best, okay, to get through this and to survive this COVID issue. So again, reach out if you have questions, and I think we're doing really well as a team here. Okay, thanks everyone. Gracias y adios.